This charming lake cottage has been loved and owned by the same family for 75 years. Located in the lake community of Maple Springs, and has character and endless possibilities. Upon entry into the main house, you will find a conveniently located mud/laundry room so you can quickly get out of those wet bathing suits. Next you will find the kitchen, large enough for a dining area and plenty of storage and counter space for cooking those summer picnics. Through the kitchen is the dining area and very large living room, beaming with hardwood floors, wood-burning fireplace and sliding glass door to the rear of the home, facing Chautauqua Lake. Upstairs you will find 3 bedrooms, a sitting area and a full bath. This home also comes with a guest house that is so cute you will be quick to fall in love. The guest house is seasonal and features a full bathroom. The large oversized garage has 2 garage bays, and an upstairs with finished room that was once used as additional sleeping area.